Imagine waking up one morning to find that the Earth had stopped spinning. At first, you might not even notice. Everything seems calm. The sun still shines. The Earth's rotation, a seemingly mundane process we rarely think about, is what keeps life as we know it intact. Without it, our world would be thrown into chaos. The most immediate effect would be catastrophic winds and earthquakes. The Earth rotates at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. Without rotation, everything on its surface would continue moving at that speed due to inertia. Buildings, trees, and oceans would be thrown into turmoil. Half the planet would face perpetual daylight, while the other half would be plunged into eternal night. Temperatures would become extreme. On the sunlit side, temperatures would skyrocket, turning the land into a scorching desert. Oceans would begin to evaporate. Meanwhile, the dark side of the planet would freeze, with temperatures plummeting to deadly lows. Ice would form over oceans and land. The atmosphere would also be thrown into disarray. Winds would become chaotic, making storms more intense and destructive. The Coriolis effect, which shapes weather patterns, would vanish, leaving the winds wild and unpredictable. Without rotation, the oceans would lose their bulge at the equator and shift toward the poles, causing massive flooding and dry zones. Entire ecosystems would collapse, and countless species would face extinction. Humanity's survival would hang by a thread. Crops wouldn't survive in the extreme conditions, leading to widespread famine. Cities and nations would fall into chaos. Over time, the moon's orbit would destabilize without Earth's rotation, leading to increased tidal forces or its slow drift away. Scientists and engineers might work to create artificial shelters to survive the extreme heat and cold. The Earth stopping its rotation is a terrifying thought, but it reminds us how delicate our planet's balance truly is.